Going to be a rare commodity. Maybe some later this week as well, but we've also got to talk about some snow. We want to make sure everyone's prepared for that. So snow yesterday was really not a big concern for Syracuse. It was as you went to the south and east and northeast of Onondaga County, a little bit more accumulation, but we had 0.4. That gets us just over 7 inches, which is over a foot below average. Of course, you like to see a little snow when you're doing that Lights on the Lake drive through, a couple of weeks away from Christmas, and we're dealing with dry conditions to start the drive through, but I think towards 8 and 9 o'clock, we have a chance for some snow, maybe a raindrop mix again, but these wet snow showers will pass on through and melt on the roadways, so it's not going to cause any driving problems during the evening. Little to no accumulation with the cold front bringing some showers through. 42 falling to 37 degrees. It will also be breezy this evening, although not extremely strong. No advisories for the wind locally. It will be breezy today through tonight and even windy at times for tomorrow as the system starts to crank up and pass on through. Right now, high pressure is building again, and it's really cleared out the sky over the southern tier and the southern Finger Lakes, and pretty soon here as well. Our lake effect clouds are going to be gone, enjoying some sunshine, maybe the sunglasses before the clouds come in late day going into this evening. So we'll watch this cold front. Notice there's not much with it right now. That comes through during the evening, some scattered rain and wet snow showers, little to no accumulation with that. But more importantly, it's going to bring down the temperature by later on tonight. We're going to start to turn chilly, especially with the wind. And that colder air is going to be arriving for tomorrow. We go below average with highs only in the mid-30s when the normal high is in the upper 30s. And this is going to kick off a little round of lake effect snow. The good thing is the band's going to be shifting. So most areas, it's a trace to an inch or two. Now there'll be some spots with 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of snow, mostly east of the Lake Ontario area, up in elevation. We're talking the foothills of the Adirondacks and the Tug Hill. Little concerned as we go into tomorrow with the hills south and southeast of Syracuse with some messy road conditions, especially there. So let's go to the Futurecast. We'll get you the snowfall forecast map this morning. Mostly cloudy to partly sunny at sunrise at 7:29, but we're turning mostly sunny mid to late morning, and that gets our temperatures up into the 40s. I wish we had a light wind, but it will be a bit breezy here once again. Gusts to 30 miles per hour, so a touch of a wind chill. It'll feel like the 30s. Maybe a decent day to get those holiday decorations done. The last of the leaves raked up, perhaps. The clouds come in, and then those passing scattered rain and snow showers. Not thinking much accumulation. This could coat some colder surfaces. Once that goes by, things quiet down, although towards midnight especially, we develop that lake effect snow east of Lake Ontario. It's piling up for the Tug Hill, the Adirondacks. Tomorrow morning, that starts to shift south, and towards midday in the afternoon, it comes into central New York. Only mid-30s for our highs and windy at times, and that should move out then tomorrow night and weaken by Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon looks nicer. So 1 to 3 inches in the light blue areas. In the dark blue, 3 to 6 inches of snow. Now, there'll be some areas with only about an inch. So a little something for everyone. A little bit more important snow up in elevation east of the lake with the lake effect snow and snow showers shifting tomorrow. It's cold, 38 then on Thursday with less wind. And then as we go into Friday, mostly sunny. We're up into the upper 40s. That's my pick day, and we stay in the 40s right through the weekend. So we're going to melt the snow. You could